Hi all, let's have a look at our question 5 here. We have two questions here and we have to try using the unitary method in the following table to find whether A or B is better value. So we're looking for a better value. So for the first one, we're looking at the apples, okay? So 5 apples for 90 cent or 4 apples for 80 cent. So let's have a look. We're going to use the unitary method, so we're going to find the price of one apple. So for A, I'm going to have a look at A first, and A is 5 divided into 90. So it's 90 cent divided by 5 to see how much we can get for one apple. Okay, and if we look at B, it is 80 cent divided by 4. So 4 into 80 goes 20 times. Okay, so we've got 18 cent and 20 cent. Okay, so A is 18 cent per apple and B is 20 cent per apple. So the better value, guys, is A, 18 cent per apple. Okay, in the second question, we're going to have a look at which is better value for buying pens. So in A, we have 3 pens for €1 20, and in B, we have 8 pens for €2 80. So we're going to use the same method as we did before with the apples. We're going to use the unitary method and we're going to find the price of 1. Okay, so if we have a look at A first, never mind B for a second, have a look at A and we divide €1 and 20 by 3, which gives us 40. And if we go over to B and have a look, we divide €2 and 80 by 8. Now we're finding the price of 1 pen in both A and B. Okay, so 1 pen for B, 8 into €2 and 80 gives us 35. So we can see clearly that the better value is B, 35 cent per pen. And finally, we'll have a look at question 6 now. Jack would like to buy some goldfish and has been given these prices. Which option is better value for him? So we look at A and B. So A is 5 goldfish for €30 and B is 3 goldfish for €15. So let's have a look and see which is the better value. So if you look at A first, €30 divided by 5 equals 6. If we look at B, €15 divided by 3 equals 5. So which is the better value? The better value is €5 for goldfish in B. Okay guys, hope you got on well with those.